Allah. We live in a world where technology is evolving faster than ever before, and artificial intelligence or AI is one of the most powerful forces driving this change. In 2023, the global market for AI was valued at over $200 billion. Yet, the conversation about how to regulate it is still in its early stages. From healthcare breakthroughs to self-driving cars, AI is reshaping how we live and interact. But with this incredible power comes an important question. Should AI be regulated? Assalamu alaikum, I'm Mitra Zahra, and today we will explore the potential of AI and discuss whether regulation is the key to ensuring its responsible use. At first glance, the answer seems obvious. Yes, AI should be regulated. After all, with great power comes great responsibility. AI has the potential to transform lives, but also carries risks if left unchecked. For instance, Tesla's self-driving technology shows incredible promise, yet misuse or over-reliance on its autopilot system has led to tragic accidents. Similarly, AI-powered hiring systems may unintentionally discriminate. Algorithms could invade our privacy, and autonomous weapons could pose uncontrollable dangers. These risks highlight the importance of regulating AI to ensure ethical use and proper safeguards. However, over-regulating AI can stifle innovation. AI is a tool, one that can solve humanity's greatest challenges. From advancing healthcare to addressing climate change, over-complicating rules could discourage new ideas and make it harder for small companies to thrive. So, what's the solution? Balance. By focusing on high-risk areas like healthcare, transportation, and security, we can ensure AI is used responsibly where it matters most, while still allowing creativity and growth in areas with lower stakes. Efforts are already underway. The European Union's AI Act categorizes AI by risks and sets regulations accordingly. Similarly, in the United States, discussions are ongoing about AI-specific legislations. But governments alone cannot do this. As individuals, we must stay informed, hold developers accountable, and advocate for fairness in how AI impacts society. In conclusion, AI is a tool with immense potential to create a brighter future, but it must be handled with care. Thoughtful regulation can ensure AI is used ethically and responsibly, safeguarding our values while driving progress. As the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Allah loves that any one of you does a job. He does it with excellence. Let us approach AI with the same commitment to excellence and responsibility, ensuring it benefits humanity as a whole. Thank you.